I was scrolling around the AppSumo because every week they introduce new software lifetime deals, and this week I have found it hidden gem. With this platform you can do the multiple things, like you can do the keyword research, you can find out the keyword gaps, and there's also the AI content writer. With the help of, you can generate the full content post, and you can even generate the outlines with this single click. So this platform name is the Keyword Gap, and in this video I'm going to talk about and give a detailed overview on this platform, showing off its features and giving you a tutorial how you can use all of its features. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back SAS Guru YouTube channel. So like every week, AppSumo introduced the new software lifetime deals, and this week's I'm going to talk about the Keyword Gap. This is the really cool tool I have found it here. There are the three core features you will find out in this platform. First one is the Keyword Explorer, that is the keyword research platform. Second, we have the Keyword Gap. With this you can find out all the keyword opportunities that your website is missing, and if you create the content around those keyword gaps, that you can instantly rank in the search engine for those keywords. Then there's the AI content writer that will help you to generate the content to those keywords apps. So before that, I give you the detailed overview on those different three core features that I have just talked about. Let me first talk about its lifetime deal, that is starting from the just $69. And if I scroll down below, you can read out and find more details on its lifetime deal here. If you want to check out the deal, the link will be given in the description. And I'm really surprised with this platform because in such affordable pricing we are getting so much value. So there are the features that is included in all of these lifetime plans. So this is the keyword research tool I have talked about, and all the data that you are going to get in the keyword research will be powered by the Google keyword data source. Okay, this is the good part. Plus you will also able to find out the trend for the keywords. There's the options that will let you import and export the data. You can even generate the articles, and this platform is supported by the multiple languages. You can see 44 languages. There's also the more AI toolbar and this section available. I am going to give a detailed demo, so make sure you watch video till the end. So there are the three core plans available. The first plan is starting from the $69, and there are the limits that you should take notice before you get any of these plan. For example, in the tier 1 plan you will get the 50 keyword searches per month, means you can do the 50 keywords research. There are the 30,000 keywords imports per month. You can do 30 keywords list you can create, and you can connect only the one Gmail account, 10 projects you can create, and the 20 minimum prospects, and the 50,000 AI words for the content generation you will get. As for the individual, I think this limits is good for you, but if you have the multiple blogs or you generate around the 30 to 40 or 50 articles a month and do a lot of the keyword research, then I suggest go with either its plan 2 or plan 3, because here are the limits you are getting is sufficient for you. Plus there's also the 60 days money back guarantee you will get. If somehow you are not happy with the keyword gap, just return it within the 60 days and your 100% money will be backed. So this is the lifetime deal. If you want to check out, the link will be given in the description. Now let me talk about its dashboard and give you the features demo and the tutorial. So this is the dashboard you are going to get here, and first on the dashboard you are going to check out the things that you have performed with the keyword gap. For example, I have done this some keyword research, then there's the my performance is showing out. I have done the keyword gap analysis, this is the report is showing, and I have done also the some AI content writing, then it is showing me all the articles that I have generated with its AI writer. Okay, so there are the three core features. First let me talk about with the keyword explorer. Here you can do the keyword research in the three forms. You can do it with the seed keyword, you can also use the domain link, and you can also do it with the wildcard search. So I'm going to do it with the keyword, and here I need to add the seed keyword, so I'm going to add the sound bar. Okay, so this is my prime seed keyword. I can also select my targeted country here, or I can just select the globe, then I can select the language. For me, I'm going with the English, so let's click on the search, and you will be surprised with the performance, because instantly it will start showing up the result. It will start giving me results with this SERP overview, like top 10 or the top top 10 search results on the Google. Then after that you can check out, this is the search volume, this is the global search volume, and if you scroll down below I will also check out the keywords ideas, total search volume, and every month search variations here. Plus I can also click here on the trends to check out this keyword trend over the time period. You can see the data is generating, so you can see here on the this time the search results for the soundbar keyword was on the peak, and right now it's on the average. If I scroll down below, it is showing me all the keywords with their trend, their volume, their CPC, and the word count. Okay, and if you want to filter out these results, there's also the advanced filter sections available. Like this is the filter section I'm talking about. I want to check out and find the keywords with the volume around minimum 10,000. So I have added 10,000. Let's click on the apply, and now it will filter out all the results with the keywords monthly search volume above 10,000. So this is the thing you can do with its keyword explorer section. And like I said, you can also do the keyword research with the domain URL or the wildcard search. Now let me talk about the other key feature, that is the keyword gap. To use the keyword gap, you need to add your website details here. For example, you need to add the website project name, and after that you have to connect your Google Search Console and select the URL that you want perform the keyword gap, and after that you need to upload the keywords data here. So how you can upload the keyword data, let me also tell that. You need to go to your Search Console. Here you need to select the performance tab, and there you have to select the time frame on which you want to find out the keywords. Okay, so I have selected 3 months. Let's click on the apply. Now I need to click on this export button. So click here export button, and after that it will ask you to download the file. You can see you can download the file in the different ways, like the Google Sheets or in the CSV file, and after that you have to upload that file here. Okay, here you need to upload the file here, and it will start showing up all these keywords. For example, this is the keywords file I have downloaded, and after that I have uploaded here on the keyword gap, and now it is showing me all my keywords data on the keyword gap. If I go to here on the missing, you can see around 250 keywords I am missing. These are the keywords gap that I need to create the content. So if I click or select any of these one, for example, if I click here, you can see it is selected, and there's this new feature is unlocked, that is the create article. So these are the keywords gaps that is I am missing out, and if I create content around these keywords, I can get the chance to rank higher on the Google instantly. Then the same thing I can also do with these keywords, and these keywords. Okay, so this is the thing I am talking about. Suppose I want to generate, or suppose I have just selected this keyword here, and now click on the generate article, and now you can see it is asking me to select the project here. If your project is not available, just click on the create new project. That way you will able to create the project, and after that you can see the content format. If I click here, you can see it is asking me which kind of the content I want to generate, like it's the blog post, it's the case study, it's the comparison, it's the how to guide, interview, or the listicle, or the news article. So there are lot of options or the content format available I can select with. Then after that I can also select the writing tone. There's the location I can target, and I can even select the language, in which language I want to generate the article. And after that there are the few things that I want to notice. Whether you want to generate the full article, then enable this. But if you want to only generate the article title, description, and outline, just enable this one, and let's click on the create button. After that it will generate the outline for you. To give you a demo, I have already generated the outline for this keyword here, boost your website performance. Okay, means this is the my prime keyword, basically best rank tracker tools, and the title, description, and these outlines is automatically generated by its AI. So I am really surprised with the quality I am getting here. And if I go to the playground, there are the more AI templates available, like this is the outlines. Okay, I can also create new outlines. I can also use these AI assistants to create more content or the outlines Okay, so this is the thing I'm talking about. Plus you can also generate the full article. For example, this is the article I have generated for my main topic keyword, that is the best resin alternatives. This is the alternatives I am finding out, and here's the title it has generated: the best resin alternative, discovering a healthier and more sustainable option for your nutritional need. And look at the article it has generated. But I want to give you a notice and the warning here: you don't need to actually fully dependent on the AI for the content generation. Once your article is generated or your content is generated, you need to read out and you need to do some manual changes, because if you are only going to depend on the AI articles or AI generated content, then in the end Google is going to punish you. That's why I always suggest follow the 80-20 rule, where you are going to depend the 80% on the AI, but 20% you are going to put your manual work, so your content will be top notch and really good reading or valuable to search. Because in the end Google showing the data for the people, not the tools. Okay, I hope you are getting my point here. So this is the thing, and I have showed you all the things, like there are the three core features I have talked about. I have showed you how you can use its keyword explorer to find out the topic and the keywords. Then there's the keyword gap that will help you to find out the missing opportunities in your website. And there's the content writer that will help you to generate the content faster, but you also need the manual do things. And there's the few more things I want to talk about, like I want to tell you here, this is the keyword list. For example, you are doing the keyword research, and for the later purpose you can also create the list, and after that you can store them here in the keyword list. Let me go to the manage your list, and if my list is created, that will appear here. Okay, so this is the one extra feature I want to talk about. Now let me talk about its user interface, because it is also really neat and clean. All the data you are watching is really in the comfortable eye, comfortable to watch and easy to understand. There's the thing, that is the color, that is the really low light colors and don't drain your eyes. Okay, I hope you are getting. But there is no dark mode, I have found it here in its platform. And if you want to know more about this platform, like the tutorials or the docs you want to read out, you have to click here on this profile icon, and here you will find out the tutorials. There are the some docs and the support section available. And if I go to the this billing section, here you will check out your billing, like whatever the plan you have enrolled. And if you want to connect your Google search console, there's also the shortcut button available under the profile section, and here you have to just connect your Google Gmail account. For example, I have just bought its one plan here. This is the plan 1, and here you can check out connect one Gmail account. That's why it is showing the only one Gmail account connectivity option. This is the connectivity option I'm talking about. But if you have bought its tier 2 or tier 3 plan, you can see there's the 3 Gmail accounts connectivity options or the limits available. Okay, so this is what this credits means. So that's all for today's video. I have talked about detail the keyword gap in this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you really enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more about this tool, then follow the link in the description that will get you to this lifetime deal here. And in my channel, I just regularly update with new SaaS tools and the comparison, so make sure you also subscribe the channel. So in the future, I'm also going to compare the keyword gap with the Neuron Writer and KW Hero. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe the channel to stay updated. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.